Hey girl, today I'm going to show you how I take care of my nails at home. Just relax and let's enjoy the sounds together. First, I'll trim my nails, carefully clipping my left hand. I usually go for a short, rounded shape on my natural nails. I feel like they complement my fingers the best. What nail shape do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. Then I'll file them into shape, starting at the sides and going into the center, one direction at a time, and doing the same for the opposite side. Then I turn my finger upside down just to make sure it's not crooked. And I proceed to do the rest on the rest of the nails. I recommend doing this once a week just to maintain your nails healthy and avoid any breakage. Just remember, this is my method of doing it. If you have any tips or tricks on your way, please let me know. After I was done filing, I took the cutest mini buffer and just buffed away any sharpness. And I love Vaseline, so I'll be using it to soften my cuticles by applying it and leaving it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then I'm taking this wonderful tool and just scraping any dead skin off. After, I'm just pushing my cuticles back carefully and then going in and cutting any dead skin off. To finish it off, I'll be using a Born Pretty cuticle oil. It smells like oranges. It smells so good. And you can never have enough oil. Your nails thrive off of oil. So I'm just giving myself a mini massage by lathering them in. Then I go ahead, wash my nails, add a base coat, and we're all done. Let me know if you learned anything. Thank you for watching. Bye.